Middle East AI News, November 18th. Welcome to Middle East AI News. November 18th, LinkedIn edition. Here's a summary of some key Middle East technology stories from the week. For more detail, more stories and lots of useful links, check out the full text version of Carrington Malin's LinkedIn newsletter. Saudi Arabia announces Oxagon, the world's largest floating industrial complex. Announced by Saudi Arabia's Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, aka MBS, on Tuesday, NEOM is to develop a new industrial city called Oxagon. Of course, being part of NEOM, the $500 billion cognitive megacity being built in northwestern Saudi, the plan for Oxagon is extraordinary. Oxagon will be the world's largest floating structure. It will also be the world's first fully automated port and the world's first fully integrated port and supply chain ecosystem. Although, no doubt, based on detailed plans developed by some of the world's leading experts in their relevant fields, as we've come to expect, the launch of NEOM's new industrial complex was jam-packed with bold claims and buzzwords. It's pioneering. It's a new paradigm. It will provide unrivaled livability. It will not only adapt to your needs, but learn to anticipate them. And it's all net zero. In a way, this mega project sums up one of the most pressing challenges of our age. Bold moves are needed to solve our 21st century problems, but how do governments embrace disruption and pioneer initiatives that leapfrog today's reality, whilst bringing public opinion along with them? The bigger the dream, the bigger the challenge. Meanwhile, there's some much awaited investment news from Dubai. Dubai launches a $1 billion dirham tech startup fund. This week, Dubai launched the Dubai Future District Fund, a 1 billion UAE dirham fund, that's $272 million in US dollars, to help establish 1,000 tech startups in the UAE within the next 5 years. This is news that many in the UAE's tech sector have been waiting for. Abu Dhabi's sovereign wealth fund, Mubadala, launched $250 million of MENA-focused tech investment funds in 2019, supporting Hub 71's future startup ecosystem and creating a fund of funds to help grow the Emirates' funding ecosystem. However, there has been no equivalent Dubai fund, until now. The Dubai Future District Fund aims to invest in local startups, and inbound regional and global startups, to help grow Dubai's tech sectors and grow overall startup investments from 1.5 billion dirhams to 4 billion, equivalent to taking investments from $410 million to $1 billion. Dubai Future District Fund will also have a fund of funds program to help grow Dubai's funding ecosystem and encourage venture capital. And a new report sheds light on the Gulf's digital economies. Digital growth could add $255 billion to the GCC's GDP. Strategy and the Strategy Consulting Business Unit of PricewaterhouseCoopers has revealed that the GCC economies are growing twice as fast as their OECD counterparts. The finding comes from the company's Digital Economy Index study, as described in its Energizing the Digital Economy in the Gulf Countries report. The Digital Economy Index scores selected countries based on 5 pillars: foundations, talent, innovation, adoption and local production. The GCC countries surveyed, Qatar, Saudi Arabia and the UAE, all rank lower than European countries, Canada and US, in how digital contributes to the economy, but nonetheless are growing faster. According to Strategy and GCC policymakers must now take vigorous action to implement the correct policies, which will turn their countries from digital adopters to digital disruptors. If you're Gulf resident, then you've probably seen more evidence of policy change during the past 36 months than ever before. So, it will be very interesting to see the progress in next year's report. These are the top stories for this week. Do scroll through the full Middle East AI news on LinkedIn to read more about these stories and other breaking emerging tech news from around the region. Thanks for listening.